Good afternoon, everyone. This is a Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour of a 2001 Bluebird All-American. Now, from the time that I'm making this video, we have quite a few school buses available. So if this one isn't exactly what you're looking for, we got a lot more to choose from. All right, so let's check this baby out. So first things first, 2001 Bluebird All-American. We're gonna check out the inside here first. So first things first, we have an air-operated passenger entry door. It's a bifold, black steps, black flooring, white step nosing, and a grab rail coming on inside. All right, so in the cockpit area here, we got your driver's seat. Looks like we got a little bit of a patch job there. Nothing too crazy, but just want to point it out. But there's no foam sticking out, no big holes, anything like that. Besides the patch job here. All right, so going from right to left, we got your heat controls here, defrost and your driver heat here. We have your Allison automatic transmission shift pad. All right, coming up front here, the odometer is actually in op, but the hub meter does say 219,000 miles, 219. So I'll show that in a little bit. Your instrument cluster up here. Up top here, we got an AM/FM CD stereo. It does have an aux input if you want to plug in your phone, and a PA mic as well. It's got the old style horn here. It doesn't actually work right now, but it does have the horn up here too. To the left, you know, got your dome lights, roof vent, your fans, which are these babies over here. It does tend to keep you a little cool there, as well as defrost. All your heaters, entry door, windshield wipers, and we'll come check out the back here. So this is an 84 passenger school bus, 84. It's equipped with your standard school bus bench style seating, brown vinyl covers. At first glance, seat covers are in pretty good shape, no big rips, cuts, tears, a few patch jobs here and there, as you can see, but as far as like foam sticking out, any holes from pencils or anything, looks pretty good going all the way down. I do have the dimensions here as well. We've been getting a lot of requests for these since people are converting these. So I'll kind of give you the interior dimensions here. So the entire length of the bus, bumper to bumper, is 40 feet. From the back of the driver's seat to the very back wall back there, that is 31 feet. So you have 31 feet of space. Interior width is 7 feet 6 inches. So if you think of like a rectangle, 31 feet long, 7 feet 6 inches wide. And then interior height from the floor to the middle of the ceiling is 6'1". So there you go. There's the dimensions of this baby. And yeah, that'll pretty much do the inside. We'll check out the outside. All right, going to show you the front passenger side tire here and give you a nice pan of the undercarriage as well. Here's the rear passenger side duals. Those tires are looking meaty. Those look good. Nice pan underneath. You're not going to be able to hear me when we go around the back. So this is powered by the Cummins 8.3 liter turbo diesel engine, and of course paired with an Allison automatic transmission. Coming around the side, we got your rear driver's side duals, also looking nice and meaty there. Good tread. Another little pan of the undercarriage as well. We got your front passenger side tire. Nice little pan underneath there. And I do want to point out this does have a Washington State Patrol Safety Inspection sticker from 2020. Pretty self-explanatory, but it means that it did pass the Washington State Patrol Safety Inspection in 2020, so just came out of service. This thing's ready to go. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other buses in our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099. Visit us at nwbus.com or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thank you very much for watching.